Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikita and today I have created this really nice and easy peasy eyeshadow look, and this is actually a really nice and wearable look. This can be worn on your if you're a wedding guest or if you're going out for a party or something of those sorts. Then you can easily carry this look with Indian as well as Western wear. So yes, if you want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned.
So here I am starting by applying moisturizer, and the moisturizer is from Garnier. It is the wrinkle lift moisturizer. It is a really good moisturizer. It hydrates your skin, and I like to prepare my skin with this moisturizer because then the makeup glides on very easily. So I take a very good amount of time before massaging the cream into my skin before applying any makeup. So yes, I am doing that here.
So recently I just applied the moisturizer, and now I am going to apply this concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm not going to apply any foundation or I'm just not going to conceal any areas on my face. I'm just going to apply some product on the problematic areas or where I feel there is some sort of darkness. So just to hide some dark spots. That's it. I think I should also apply it under my eyes. Blending this with my fingers. Now I'm just going to set this the concealer with the this Bharat and this powder, this powder. So I'm just going to press this into my skin. Since I'm done with setting the face, and now I am going to contour my face with this Master Contour palette from Maybelline, and I'm going to use this particular just look at the difference. Look at the side which I have already contoured, and look at the side which I have not contoured. So by contouring you can give a really nice structure to your face. So this looks really bloated and this looks nice and structured. So now the contouring is done, and now I am going to fill in my brows, and then I will be doing my eyeshadow. So I'm taking this spoolie for the brows just to go. So now I'm going to apply the blush, and again I'm using this palette from Maybelline, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Tartelette, and it is a really nice palette. Um, it has all the nudes, and it does smell like chocolates, by the way. Yes, they do smell like chocolates. Love it. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this smoke show. This thing right here. So I'm going to take this smoke show and apply it onto my crease. I'm smoking it outwards. These eyeshadows are really pigmented, so you just need to touch your brush to the color of the eyeshadow. That's it, and then you'll get a lot of pigmentation on your eyes. Now, from the same palette, I'm going to take this shade Firecracker. This is a really nice shade. Yeah, this Firecracker. And I'm going to apply this on the remaining area of the I'm going to darken the smoke show shadow. Now I am going to take this color uh, Charmer, the first one, and I am going to apply it into the inner corners. So now for the liner, I'm going to take this liner from Lakme, and I'm going to apply it onto my upper eye.
After the liner, I am also applying this mascara. It is from Maybelline and it is the Hyper Curl Mascara.
Now I'm taking this kajal from Rimmel London, and I'm going to draw a line on my waterline. Comes the favorite part, and I'm going to apply this lipstick from Color. So that was it for the video, you guys. I really hope you like this video. If you did so, then do like it and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And see you next time. Till then, bye. Stay happy.